Okay, so this is a demonstration video on how to configure Google Analytics in Confluence. So having installed it, we can go to the Apps menu and go to Google Analytics in Confluence. And you will see the Configure button. If you press that, you then go into the Admin section and you can see the configuration steps. So the first step is to sign in to your Google Analytics account and then set up Analytics for a new website. Now, if you're in a big company, we recommend that you use a shared service account, something like Google Analytics at yourcompanyname.com or something like that. But we'll go in and do this anyway. So step one, Analytics is in a new window and we can go into admin. Let me just make this a bit bigger. We select the account that we want and then we create a property. The property I'm going to name Google Analytics in Confluence Demo, and I'm going to select my reporting time zone and my currency. In this instance, currency doesn't matter, but it's nice to get your reporting time zone right. And then check one of these and press create. The next step is to choose a platform here. And this is basically, if we go back here, we want to set up a data stream. So you paste the URL in there and we call the stream name Confluence Cloud. I'm going to paste that in there. Advanced measurements, because we're in an iframe, we can't use it, so we might as well turn that off. And then we press create stream. So now you see the details and it shows you how to install the tag. However, we don't need to worry about that. We can close this screen and now we can go in and sign into Google Analytics. So now it asks you to select your email address. If you've not already logged into Google, it'll give you your username and password. And then importantly, we need to check so edit Google Analytics management entities and see and download data. So this one allows you to configure it and this one allows you to view the reports. And then we press continue. Okay, so we press continue and now we can see we've signed in successfully and you can see who we've signed in as. So the next stage is to select the property. So earlier I created GAC demo and now you can see that the data stream that we created is populated here and you can see the measurement ID. We're going to press save here and you can see that this part of the configuration is now saved. If we just scroll down, we can see all the custom dimensions that we need to use to send data to Google Analytics. And you can see none of them have been set up yet because we've got a fresh installation. But if we press this button, you can see that it now talks to Google Analytics and goes and creates all of those. Takes a few seconds, but after that is done, the data collection part of this configuration is completed. So now we can see that all of these have been created. And just to check one more thing, you can see if you go into Google Analytics, you can see that they've all been created here and we've actually got 22 custom definitions, custom dimensions created there. And that is the end of configuring data collection. But if we then just scroll back up, we can configure reporting. The best thing that we recommend there is if you create a Confluence group with all your users who you wish to view the Google Analytics data. And luckily, here's one I've done earlier. I've created one called Google Analytics Report Viewers and then press save. And now reporting will be allowed for this subset of users within this group. If you wish to add further groups, you can do. I've got one SMT users. I can save that and it'll just update the reporting. So having done that, configuration is now complete.